How to fix PayPal transfer failed. If you're trying to transfer some funds from PayPal to a different account and you're not being able to do so, the first thing that you'll need to verify is that your linked bank or your card details are accurate. So whatever you've currently linked, whether you have linked a bank account or your card, make sure that the details are accurate, as well as make sure that the card that you added in has a valid expiry date. If the card has been expired, you won't be able to make any transfers. Also, make sure that the email that you added in inside of your PayPal is confirmed or is verified. If your email address is not yet verified, make sure you do so by heading over to the contact info and you simply see the verification option right here. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, that may be because your account is currently limited. If your account is currently limited, then you should be able to see this notification right inside of your PayPal on the home page. You can simply tap on this notification where it's going to take you to a different section, and it is also going to show you the exact resolution that you'll need to follow. So these resolutions may be uploading your photo ID, or sometimes even maybe adding in a video verification as well as your proof of address. So once you verify your information, you should be able to fix the PayPal transfer failed issue. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.